What's going on YouTube? Just Trent here for Truck Life Productions. And well, if you have a 10th gen F-150, God, that thing looks good. But some of y'all will know, if not all, will know how hard it is to get this tailgate to open up, because this right here wants to get all stiff and not open up. And what it is on each end of the tailgate, whenever you open it, there's little springs over there that have helped the latch mechanism. So whenever you pull up on it, and technically it'd be more like doing like this, like that. And then of course, you know, the heavy tailgate. But these little springs down in here, they end up getting all stiff and sometimes get rusted. Find that other one in there. But anyway, so how do you fix that? Well, try this PB Blaster silicone lubricant. Spray that on there, which I have already. But you basically just open it up, shake the can, spray it down in there. Get them springs all lubricated. And then what we'll do is go ahead and raise the tailgate back up. Now watch. Look how easy it was. It's like brand new. So try that out on y'all's 10th gens or any other truck that may have that issue. But mostly the 10th gens because of how their latch system works. But try that out, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Give y'all a 10th gen real quick. That is right.